In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a website with System.io. To get started, go to the top menu and open Site, then choose Blogs. This is where you can create and manage your website project inside System.io. Once you are there, click Create in the top right corner to begin setting up your new site. Next, enter your blog name and choose your target domain. After that, type in the URL path you want to use. This path helps define where your website will live within your selected domain, so make sure it matches the structure you want for your site. Once that is done, select one of the pre-designed website layout templates. These templates give you a starting design, which can save time and make the setup process much easier. Then click Save. After saving, click on the name of your newly created website project to open it. In the left sidebar, click Pages. Here you will see the default pages that were created automatically. If you want to add more pages to your website, click Create a Page. You can then choose the type of layout you want for that page and click Create to add it to your site. To customize your website structure, click the Edit Page icon shown as a magic wand on any page. This lets you modify shared elements like the universal header and footer navigation menus. That is useful because these sections often appear across multiple pages, helping your website stay consistent and easier to navigate. When you are ready to build out a specific page, click the Edit Page icon next to that page. Inside the editor, you can drag and drop elements from the left panel directly onto the canvas. You can add text, images, video blocks, and multi-column sections to create the layout you want. This editor is visual, so you can adjust your content in a straightforward way and see how the page is coming together as you build it. Once you are done editing, click the Exit icon, which looks like an arrow pointing right, to return to the page dashboard. From there, you can review your pages and make sure everything is ready. Finally, click the Publish or Activate toggle next to your custom subpages to make your complete website live. That covers everything you need to know.